like the one that one truck car in America last Friday.
Jace, there's a radiator in it, but there's not an engine in it.
I'm not seeing a problem here.
You're not seeing a problem. Wiring is looking muchly improved, and like there's all that wiring that was on that side that isn't there now. You can't see it's not there because it's not there now.
What wiring?
Yeah, wiring. It's all gone. Much better. Much betterer.
Not bad.
And what a beautiful job of those fans. That's really, really nice. Now what you need to do is when you put it in, solder all these wires and interconnect them in here. Like put one each side. So put one at there, and then that's so you can't. That's how it was when we took it out.
You're doing it wrong, Kevin. Feed it through here.
And do a loop.
You loop through here and you tie a knot.
Yeah, pretty much. So this is going to be the fan wiring. I'm pretty sure if we look at the fan wiring there, that's like way bigger than what you're running it to. They're not going to cause a problem. Okay. And run some good earths there nicely. That's awesome. Okay. Slam an engine in the hole. Now that's the new one. That's the old one. That's the new. We particularly couldn't handle the external wiring around that plug of that wire with the multiple crimps and joints. So we fixed it. Who fixed it?
Oh, right. Peace. Peace, love, and harmony.
And so that is going in that hole. Our ring gear is now fitted to our flywheel. So that's good to go on. Jace has measured and checked. And he's gonna set up the release bearing again, which hopefully is about 5 mils longer. Right. Oh dear. So if we look up there, we'll have a look from the top too. The engine's actually too far forward, and that's meant that there's no room for the radiator hoses. So Jason is refitting the ugly one, and we will discuss the possibility of moving this engine back, which in this case isn't too bad. There may be enough slip in this one, otherwise extend that a little bit. This one definitely needs shortening because the slip is at the back, and then just a cut of the pipe and it would move back and be re-welded. So that the exhaust is really simple. Jason's favourite bit would be the engine mounts, which are not fun. And of course a gearbox mount, but that's no biggie because this one's got the extension. I've actually moved it forward. They didn't need to. It can go back. It would be better back a little bit further. How much they moved it forward? Quite a bit actually. It's going to go back.
It's got oil in it, eh?
It's got some oil in it, yes.
Right, you put the sump on it.
Oh, and the sump's come off it again. Okay, no, there's no oil in it then.
Yeah.
You're correct. It had oil and we took the oil out.
Yeah, and then what's the name? Took the oil over.
Yeah, we've got tipped along the foil. Yep. It's neat how, like, it's got the steering moved down, all that's been done properly. See, it's got a front sump in it with a lifted mount. This does have body lift in it. Yeah, see, it's got a 2-inch body lift, which has meant that you've put a lifted engine mount, and that clears all the steering. That's with the steering dampener dropped down and relocated. Jace has been ticking along, just sorting all the bits and pieces. And it's actually looking really good.
It's only twice as long as I didn't pull it apart and have one of the bolts.
Well, The bolts were not very nice on it, nothing was nice. So now you'll actually have nice bolts in it. Right. Oh yeah, if you've got it down there, it won't rub, eh?
Yeah, I could push the radiator back up, can I?
Yeah, I'm just looking though where that hose was. If it's not near the turny thing, the steering shaft, then it can't rub on the turny thing. And there's no heat proofing on the brake hoses, so that's no longer actually legal. So it needs a bit of heat proof in a few spots. So the owner of this vehicle is now working at a garage, so she will be comfortable doing a few little bits and pieces.
It's rubbed there though. It's rubbed on the bottom of the alternator, not the...
Oh, is it the alternator pulley?
No, the bottom of the alternator.
Oh.
The actual bolt, the bolt.
Okay, yep. Can we zip tie it down to the bottom of the sump?
I know. I'll assess that situation in a moment. Just...
The big guy's been beavering away. Yeah, well, you're more of a beaver than me. I can't say I'm more of a squirrel.
Yeah.
Intake, in the short term, a piece of 75mm aluminium tube and an 80mm 45-degree bend of silicon, and that replaces the factory one. So that's gone. It's awesome. New black air brake hose, radiator in, top hose fitted. I'm not sure the shrink wrap would actually do this job, but nice try.
You put that there, not me.
Oh, did I put it there?
Yes.
Oh, there's the squirrel thing again. Oil filter housing mounted. There's got to be some wiring coming out to that. There's got to be some, there's some wiring coming out to that for the gauge. Power steering fitted. The bottom hose is still ugly. Yeah, there should be a, oh, was that just extra?
I don't know. There's no wires there. I look for them and I can't find the wire, okay?
Oh, okay.
Unless we cut it out. But I don't think so.
We may have cut it out.
That looks like the factory gauge.
That is the factory gauge. We may have cut that out. It's just there. Anyway, it's just right there. I'm fairly certain I can find it. Or I can run it off the link. So yeah, we can sort that as well. Easy. He's put battery cables and stuff in. There's been lots of activity going on. Map sensor mounted, lines. And now he's actually doing the bit that I was going to do inside, which is really nice of him. Because I've been doing other stuff. We might make noise, Jace. I think we're going to make noise today.
Well, if I waited for you to wire the inside of it, we wouldn't be.
Oh, I know. Right. I'm going to fit some Gilmores to another job.
I'm going to set fire to it.
Yeah, set fire to it. Good one. I actually need some more gas for that too. It sounds like it's running. What did you find?
Fuel pump.
It's just in that fuel pump, sitting for too long. Still. Awesome. I think we're going to need a hose clamp on the booster line. Well done. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, those are a horrible way. Well done. Has it got any gas in it?
Struggle with the tank.
Hey, Jace.
Stop turning the fuel pump on.
Not turning the fuel pump on?
Yeah.
Oh.
You shut up. Hey?
No, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready. Yeah, I'm ready now. No, we've got no fuel pump, man.
Well,
We've just got fuel pump there. There's a little blue light down where you mounted the ECU. Looks quite good in there. I can't actually see it, I can just see a blue light.
oh, I've unmounted it.
Oh, you unmounted it, that's why.
Well, now it works. Yeah, well, way off.
No prime.
No prime.
No prime on the fuel pump.
Why is there no prime? There's no prime.
No prime.
No Optimus Prime. Can you turn the prime on?
Yeah, there's a prime function in there. Absolutely, there's a prime function. Well done. It's a runner. We need a shield here. Ears coming up. It's cool here, it's not going through the radiator. Come forward, there's a bit of metal in my way. How's it feel? Well, it drives.
Yeah, roll good.
Give it a little drive and check the brakes. And you left one of the red wires on the back.
You unattach this somehow?
No, not easily. I can.
Well, it's probably safer if we detach it than